so this is an unboxing video. You guys seem to enjoy the first one that I did on affordable tripod for beginners or something like that. I'm going to link that on top of the screen. Now this is a heavy duty tripod. Okay, so I am going to unbox it. Now I'm going to unbox it. Somebody will say, hey, why do you have your tripod in this? Okay, so I am based in Ghana, and with some vendors, okay, this is how they ship their packages. Okay, it has to be protected because it's going to be sent via the bus. Okay, it's going to send via the bus system. So this is how the vendor packaged it in order for it not to get destroyed or that kind of thing. So it has my name here, my location, and it has been wrapped around with a sellotape, and then the car number is at the back, so that if I am going to if I'm going to collect it, I provide the car number, and then they go into the warehouse or the office, or and then they bring my package. So this is how the system works in Ghana. I know if you're watching from the States or from any other country, you might find it weird, but then this is how we here in Ghana, this is how some of our delivery systems work. Aside DHL and Figures, we have like other delivery systems that work, and then these ones are pretty fast as compared to the DHL and Figures. This one comes on the same day it was shipped. So let's just go ahead and let me just cut and unbox it. I am unboxing it, and I am making sure that I don't cut it. So let me just quickly. So this is the receipt. The seller actually puts the receipt in the package. Okay, so now we are done taking it out of the plastic bag. So the brand says GEX, and this is how it looks like. Okay, it comes with a carrier bag. Okay, now the carrier bag, it has a drawstring at the opening. Okay, so it has a drawstring at the opening like this, so you can just move it in and out to open and close. Okay, you can just pull it outside so that the string becomes very long at the outer part, and then it closes. So, and it also comes with a bag that you can put it behind your back if you're going to work somewhere, or like as a celebrity stylist or something. So that is all about the bag, and you can put it at your back. And actually the tripod is very heavy, like very heavy. So let me just pull it out. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, so let me just take a quick thumbnail. So I'm done taking the thumbnail, and then the seller asked if I wanted silver or gold or rose gold. So I selected rose gold. The reason why mine is like this. So this is how it looks like, and it's really durable. Let me just move back so that you guys can see it properly. Okay, so this is my first time having to work with a tripod for a way like this, so I'm going to figure it out. But then it looks exactly like a tripod for a camera, and I'm used to camera tripod stands and those things, so it basically has the same concept. So I'm going to walk you through how to go about some of these things. I mean, it's my first time, but I know some of these features look familiar or like similar, so let me just walk you through. So I think I know if you want to, this part is like really hard, like it's not moving, okay, because this controls this part. So if you want to adjust it, you will just do this, and it's it's moving. It's going to move like this. Okay, so I want it straight, then it's firmly secured. So this is basically how to turn the bulb here, just like we did in that video. So you just do this and you're done. Okay, and then after that, if you want to move this part up, okay, this is my first time trying it, but then it looks exactly like a camera's tripod. So you just unscrew this part. Okay, unscrew this part and then roll it up. Now you can see the length here. I don't know if you can see from here to here. Okay, from here to here is the same as from here to up. This part is what is in this part. Okay, so if you want to see the length that you can get at the top, is going to be equal to the length that we see here. Okay, so you're just going to roll it up and see. So let's just keep rolling it. Yeah, so this is what we have now. Okay, so once you're done rolling and you're okay with the length, all you have to do is scroll this part and make it tight. Okay, so you scroll this part to make it tight, and you just turn this one down to secure it, and that's basically that. Now we have this long tripod here. Okay, it's basically, and if you want to, how do you call it, let's move to the bottom part. Now moving to the bottom part, okay, it's the same thing that applies to this part. Okay, now if you unscrew this part, that's if you want to pack it, you just do this to unscrew it and then you fix it back. But if you want to open it as wide as you want, once you're done opening, you just secure it tightly. Okay, and it's not moving. It's not moving. So if you want to also increase the length of the tripod, you just go this way. Okay, open this part and it goes like down. Okay, so yeah, that is how to, it's actually really long. So you just, I'm going to display that very soon, but just to let you know the parts of the tripod. Okay, it's not really difficult to set it up. It's very like easy as I have demonstrated here. So that is basically how it works. These ones are to make it long, extra long. So this one, another one. Okay, and that is it. You have like this long pole here, from here to here. Okay, you just push everything back in, you're done. So yeah, I'm going to show you how it works with a mannequin head in a bit. So stay tuned. So this part shows this part. See? Good. Okay, so I'm going to try the canvas block head on the tripod to see how it's going to fit. So let's see how it's going. So this head, the one that has the cork inside, I'm going to try that on this to see how stable it's going to be. Okay, so this is how the inside, this part looks like. So I'm just going to put it there. Okay, so let me just adjust it properly and let's see. Okay, so it's steady. Okay, it's steady on it, like it's steady. Let me see if I can bring it to the other side. yeah, I just tilted it in. It's steady. Do you see it? So let me take that off and then use the, okay, so now that we are done testing, this is a 21-inch circumference canvas here, so it went in without any struggle or anything, and it was steady while it was on it. I could even it had enough space around it for me to rotate it while it's on the tripod. Okay, so I can easily rotate it, and yeah, and it's steady. Okay, it's steady. So I'm going to show you how the other mannequin looks on it, like the display mannequin. Okay, the one that has the bust area. So let's try that one. So I'm going to take it out. Okay, and then we're going to put this. Okay, this too has, I don't know if you can see, it has a hole here where you can set the mannequin on top of it. So I'm going to make this straight. Okay. It's steady. Okay, it's steady. And then we are going to put this on top of it. So, ooh, okay. So this is it. I don't know if you can see that. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty steady. Oh, it looks like it's tilted to one side. Okay, so this looks good. So this is how it looks on. Steady. Now I'm going to give you a long shot of it, okay, but I just wanted to show you how it looks from a close-up view. So I'm going to put a wig on the mannequin and we're going to display. So if I should stand by the tripod, this is how it looks like. Shoulder length, that is, I have done all the necessary adjustments and all that. So this is the full length, okay, the full length of this tripod wig stand. Okay, so tripod or wig, tripod or stand. So with this part, if you want to turn your lever all the way down, this is where there's an opening here. Okay, there's an opening here. That is where we're going to move it to, all the way down. And then let's try and see if it's going to fit in. So with this one, this is what you get. Okay, this is what you get. Let me zoom out.